Well, I guess it can be if you really push it. When it goes to higher revs, you definitely feel that torque. Now we're trying the XSR900. See how this compares to MT09. It's actually a very nice looking bike. Yeah, let's see. Okay, good sitting position. My legs are slightly bent, flat-footed. It has the seat feels a little bit hard, but it's a comfortable position. Has a nice sound. Foot pegs are a bit more, I'd say, middle position. Oh wow. It feels very maneuverable. Where am I supposed to go now? Okay, maybe I need to go the other direction.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Feels very stable in the turns. It's definitely a comfortable riding position.
Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
So the suspension in this bike is a little bit on the hard side. But it feels nimble, stable when we're doing the turns. The Quickshifter works pretty amazing. It's very smooth. It kind of threw me a little bit off when I first tried to do it, and I'm used to just cut the gas a little bit. This doesn't work so nicely. You just need to trust it and you keep the gas. Bleeper also works very nicely. You just press the lever, it turns smoothly, low gears, or then the high gears, so very smooth. Yeah, the Quickshifter definitely makes shifting a lot easier. Since you don't really have to engage the clutch. So the throttle doesn't feel twitchy. Yeah, I'm doing 30 kilometers an hour. Oh, nice castle over there. Wow. Front brake is really pretty strong compared to my Vulcan S. I must have missed a sign somewhere. Actually, I have good impressions about the bike. It feels pretty planted, stable at low speeds. And it doesn't give me the feeling that be a mad acceleration when you try to push it a little bit. Well, I guess it can be if you really push it. When it goes to higher revs, you definitely feel that torque. I really like the sound.